Hello, friends. Today we have the honor of having with us Mr. Anand Burden, Senior Vice President HR, Head Talent Acquisition, and COE with us from Axis Bank. And it is a privilege to have him here today because it's a very momentous occasion. Today we inaugurated the Career 247 School of Banking campus in Pune, and we inaugurated the first batch of the Priority Bankers RM program. So, Anand, hello, very, very happy to have you with us today. And just wanted to kind of hear from you. We inaugurated the Priority Bankers, Relationship Managers Program. From your perspective, from the bank's perspective, but आप इतना important position hold करते हो, head of talent acquisition हो आप, तो आप जब देखते हो talent coming into the bank, through like the Priority Bankers program with Career 247, what are the critical skill sets that you're looking at, in the people joining you from these programs?
Thanks, firstly, Neelam, to have invited in your podcast. And also, big congratulations. I think this has been a journey in itself. So, really glad that this began. But before I join and mention about what we look at,
Right.
I want to kind of also talk about some myths that generally prevails and in our industry. That ये हेड ऑफ टैलेंट एक्विजिशन है तो इनके पास रिज्यूमेस तो आ ही जाते होंगे, कैंडिडेट्स तो मिल ही जाते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. वेल वाइल द रियलिटी इज दैट इन इंडिया देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ willful joblessness, if I may say so, which is while the market is striving for quality talent, a lot of people are unaware. They are busy in the rat race, and the rat race here is not the corporate rat race that I'm talking about. The rat race is about I want to waste my prime years in government jobs. I want or a search for a government job. And I'm no way saying that government jobs are bad, but the disproportionate applications there and the years of productive years that's wasted is huge for a country like us, which is wanting to move from a developing to a developed economy.
Right.
So it's like a paradox. Like if you think from the global standpoint, India would be like a global hub for talent. बहुत लोग होंगे जो जॉब में आना चाहते होंगे and all that. But incidentally बहुत कम वो एग्जिबिट करते हैं या वो चीज़ें दिखाते हैं जो उनको जॉब वर्दी बनाती है. And now to direct answer to your question, हम क्या दिखते हैं basically? So we look at three things. One, और सबसे पहला is eagerness to learn. I think gradually what we have seen that this eagerness around to imbibe something new, something about the job, something about what new can I contribute the society with, ये gradually कम हो रहा है. And अगर ये कम होगा तो your willingness to take risks and apply yourself a lot more in the job will reduce. So eagerness to learn is the first thing we look.
Right.
Second is, and ये थोड़ा inherent है, but I think this comes natural to Indians, but this needs to be showcased a lot more, is problem solving. Problem solving at any level. हम बचपन से ही we are born problem solvers. There's famous Indian word jugaad is synopsis or like a bypass to problem solving. But जब हम अपना रोल देखते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग को भूल जाते हैं. बट एनी जॉब रोल वेयर यू आर अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर, यू विल grow faster, and any bank would love to have a problem solver. Third thing, which as a bank we specifically focus a lot more, and we have our own values of ethics, teamwork, transparency, ownership. But a major one that I as a talent acquisition head look at is customer centricity.
Yeah.
Focus on what your clients' needs are and delivering the best. ये बोलना आसान है, एग्जीक्यूट करना थोड़ा मुश्किल, बट ये एक चीज़ हम जो देखते हैं और देखना चाहते हैं लोग. सो दीज थ्री थिंग्स आई थिंक आर very, very essential for any person to be part of Axis Bank, and that's what we are also looking at with students.
Right. And in specific, this PBRM program, so the priority bankers, what do you think will be most critical for them to be successful in their job? And we just heard today, that Mr. Sanjeev Moghe speak about कि what will help them fast track their career. तो आपके हिसाब से what should he be most focused on when he joins you after successfully completing the program to be a successful priority banker?
Yeah, so I think the journey has begun for them.
Right.
पहले तो getting through this program and being part of something that's very focused on priority banking is a good beginning. But मामला अभी आधा ही हुआ है. For this to become more successful, for him or her to become more successful, they obviously need to relate what they are picking up in the campus to what the practical know-how that's needed on the ground, जो चाहिए ground. So that I think is the next step for them.
Right.
दूसरा चीज, as I said, while we are looking at eagerness to learn, customer centricity and problem solving, ये opportunities बैंक में प्लेट पे नहीं आती है. आपको इसके लिए थोड़ा स्ट्राइव करनी पड़ती है, कोई भी जॉब में करनी पड़ती है, बीट गवर्नमेंट बीट प्राइवेट, एंड आवर जॉब इज़ नो डिफरेंट. सो they need to be prepared for that. And as we were discussing some time back, first few formative years are very important उनके लिए. They need to understand that मुझे अगर कुछ सीखना है तो मुझे वो एक्स्ट्रा माइल वॉक करना पड़ेगा, एंड hence that is on learning, that is on experience, that is on customer visits, हर चीज़ों में वो आएगा. तीसरा चीज़ जो which I also feel these days is very valuable is how adept they are with technology. कितना वो टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ अपने आप को बदल रहे हैं, कितना वो टेक्नोलॉजी समझ रहे हैं. As a bank, we will provide them with all ammunitions. We will provide them with leads, we will provide them with opportunities जहाँ पे वो जाके कस्टमर को कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स पिच कर सके, मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. बट इवेंचुअली अगर वो इसको अडॉप्ट नहीं करना चाहेंगे या वो इसमें लैगार्ड रहेंगे, देन इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? समवन एल्स विल लीव. सो technology, I think, is the hidden X factor, if you may have to say so, which they would like to or they should be focusing. And that is one other big expectation we have from the students who are passing out from this program.
Right. So Anand, you head, talent acquisition. आपको from an Axis Bank point of view से आपको hiring किस roles के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा लग रही है? Maybe for the next few years आपको क्या demand कहाँ लगती है कि होने वाली है? मतलब कौन से roles के लिए जो हमारे learners हैं, they're across India, बहुत positions के लिए वो apply कर रहे हैं, तो आपको ये from a bank's perspective hiring कहाँ लग रही है ज़्यादा होएगी for the next few years?
As you know, as a country, we are growing at a rapid pace. We're making rapid strides.
Right.
And banks, बड़े center में इसके, because they are fueling a lot of demand growth. You name it. So at the center of it, being in Axis Bank, you know that there's a lot of responsibility that you have towards the nation also.
Right.
And that is not only fueling growth but also being a employer of choice.
Right.
So we are a 1 lakh plus organization, and roles primarily at an entry level open across. They are on the sales side, and sales may we have roles on the business development side.
Right.
We have on the RM side, जिसके लिए हम ये प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं अभी. We have requirements on the operations side. We run multiple programs there. We have program on the IT side. There's a lot of emphasis that we do in hiring technical graduates. Analytics is another piece that we do. And also the traditional banking skills like compliance, credit also play a long part in this. any graduate that we hire, fresher ho ya thoda sa experience bhi ho, as I mentioned, apart from the 3 skills that we look out for, if they are willing to build the career in banking, it's a great place to be.
Yeah.
And only request that I make with students is that please don't treat a banking job with the short term gains. आजकल बहुत सारा ये फ्लेवर चल रहा है कि that gig economy is here and gig economy will disrupt, and I don't think that's a wrong notion.
Right.
But there will be sectors which will provide growth, wealth
Right.
in the long run, and banking is at the forefront of it. So any fresher wanting to join, apart from the opportunities that I said, should also look at why is he or her joining, and that if that why is clear,
Yeah.
the journey becomes better.
Yes, I think this is really great. दूसरी चीज़ आनंद, your presence here with us today means a lot. It sets the tone for our journey from Career 247 School of Banking, and also reinforces the importance of the strategic partnership and the strategic initiative. What would your expectations be from this partnership
Well,
with Career 247?
so with Career 247, you guys have been making India employable for a long time in the government sector side of things.
Right.
And it's time to pivot that to another growth engine of the country, that's the private side. So the first expectation is obviously have very similar rigor, बहुत similar push होनी चाहिए in order to make India employable as per skills, as per requirement. And you guys are doing a great job. This is a great beginning that we have had. Second, make people aware about the larger opportunities, that opportunities to grow does not really confine to one particular sector. If India has to truly become a global superpower, all sectors have to grow, and the workforce representation has to be spread across. ये होनी चाहिए.
Right.
And that is where I think your role as I would say counselor first, and then an organization which is getting requirements to the supply would be important.
Right.
So that is another expectation, and ये थोड़ा holistic हो गया. From Axis Bank standpoint is getting people job ready. बहुत important है, because बहुत ज़्यादा perception अभी भी है कि banking की job is all about sitting on the desk,
True.
AC की हवा खाना, and 4 बजे बैग पैक करके चला जाना. वैसे 4 बजे बैग पैक करने में हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है until unless the work obviously
Done.
gets done. But it's also about setting the right expectations, और ये दिखाना कि अगर इनिशियल ईयर्स में आप स्ट्रगल करते हो तो आपको लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट्स आती है. दैट इज वन मेजर माइलस्टोन दैट यू गाइस वी वुड वांट यू टू फोकस ऑन, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर with your expertise on the sectors that you've already worked, I'm pretty sure this will come as we speak.
Thank you so much, Anand, for being with us here today. Thank you so
Thank you,
much. Your
Neha.
words mean a lot.